Hello, welcome back, and we are still on the roof configuration. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create horizontal braces or roof braces. So if I zoom close here you can see I have some points here: point 1, point 2, and 3, and 4. So I'm going to have two sets of braces, 1 and 2. So these points are the points that are going to help us identify the positions where we start and end our braces. So I've just selected all the four, and I'm going to copy it to this side. I'm going to right click and pick it from that spot, and I'm going to place it here and place it here. That way. Perfect. So the next thing, I'm going to start placement of my horizontal bracings or roof bracings. I'll come straight to steel, and before you place your horizontal bracings or roof bracings, make sure your XYZ plane is the orientation of your work plane tool is in the same plane with the rafter, or sloping with the rafter. So I'm going to pick on the beam, and I'll begin from that spot and end it here. There we are. So let me come to view and come to navigate, pick the first option and try to rotate this, and we have the default profile as a C-section, and C-section we cannot use as a bracing. So I'm going to double click on this. So once I've double clicked on that, I'm going to click on that radio button, and this will take me straight all the way to profile catalog available integral structures. So we are going to use as a RSA or angled profile or L-shaped profile. So here we are, and I'll just scroll and I'll pick this. I'm a designer and I can just see the profile. We can use this. So if we go ahead and design this, and after we doing all this and we compare the weights, we have similar weights. That's what is called experience. Now, let me just scroll down, and I'm going to pick 70 by 70, 70 by 70. No. Probably okay. Let's try that. I'm going to select OK, and apply and give it an OK. And if I click apply, there we are, and I have navigate. And if I rotate that, probably the best option, but to me, not the best. So let me first of all change the class or change the color of that member. I'll give it this color and that. And let's rotate it, give it back rotation. So that is probably the best orientation. So let's apply, or let's create another member. So I'll begin from there and stretch all the way to this spot here. And let me go and check how we are intersecting at the midpoint here. Let me come to new, come to navigate, rotate, and rotate with my mouse. Perfect. This is what we want and nothing more. Nothing more. And let's go to the second set of braces. So I'm going to pick steel and pick on the beam, and I'm going to start from that end and move all the way to this end here and snap on that spot. And I'm going to start from that spot right there and end here. So let's check at the intersection here, how we're intersecting here, back to back. Marvelous. This is meticulous. Meticulous. So this is where we want to create a central gusset plate here in between to create a connection. So I've just added this topic as it wasn't in the context, but I find it very necessary to add it on. Are we on the same page? If you have a problem, please ask me. If I'm not seeing you, I'll be able to respond back to you. And we've just created these braces. So on the next lesson, I'm going to show you how we can create connection between the rafter and the braces and the central gusset plate here. Same here. And thereafter, we'll populate this on mirror this on the other side, and populate this at a required interval placement. Like we can place one set here and one set in the middle and one set at the far end. Let's first of all create the connections first. Then from there, we'll be able to create some game column. Later on, that's later on, later on, later on, later on. Let me just rotate this. So from there, let's meet then on the next lesson. I'll be able to show you how we can create these connections. Connection to the rafter and a central gusset plate placement or setting or configuration. Are we listening? Please, are we listening? Are we getting something? Hope you can do this by yourself at the end of the lesson. Thank you for concentrating. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Please, let's meet then. Bye bye. I'm Maurice Nimba.